Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, remember this unboxing disaster? Yes. Well, guess what? We have another unboxing. As you can see in the title, we're doing Zgallerie versus Walmart version. All right guys, let's get started. Guess what? We got another unboxing. So I ordered this mirror again, and let's see. The packaging is a little different. I can't wait to see how this looks. I'm kind of afraid to unbox this. All right, so let's see if this is better than the Zgallerie one. Okay, guys, I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Of course, Sarah, she's doing her little home inspection on this. So let's do this unboxing again. Let's try this again. As you can see, the packaging on the Walmart version of this is slightly different. It's still a box within the box, but I noticed what Walmart did, they added extra layers of cardboard for extra protection, and that was a problem with the Zgallerie when they didn't box it. See this corner right here is the extra padding that was needed, just so you know, sometimes these delivery guys may drop it because this is a heavy mirror. So at least with the Walmart version of it, and see here, it is from Coaster Furniture. They're all from just about Coaster Furniture. It is just sold at different retailers, and I will show you later who are all the retailers that sell this. Okay, ready? Oh, so far one corner looks good. Okay, the second corner, it looks good. The third corner. Looks good. All right, here we go. The fourth corner. It looks good. Okay. And even give you a little cloth here. As you can see, same thing, no damages from this one so far. All right, this has to be hung, which of course it comes here. Very heavy. This is gonna go vertical. So I'm gonna have to make sure this goes into the wall beams. Okay guys, let me try to flip this over. Okay, so I have this out, everything looks great, and you do get a thank you, and you see Coaster Furniture, not Zgallerie. But even though we like to say it's a Zgallerie mirror. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, watch out, Sarah. As you can see, it's the same black mirror. It costs silver, but it's not silver, it's black. No different, same mirror. Just sold by a different manufacturer, which was Walmart, guys. Yes, Walmart. And it was supposed to come on March the 11th, and it came today, which is February 29th. So this is how it looks. There it is. And they gave you a cloth to wipe everything down. Very pretty, very gorgeous. Now this time, I am pleased with Walmart over Zgallerie. Okay guys, let's see how it looks. So this beautiful Greek, and this is actually, now Zgallerie calls it the Santorini, Wayfair calls it a Jancy, Kirkland has it, Kmart has it, Ashley Furniture has it. Everyone has it and have a different name. The one who has the original name is a couple have the original names. And again, I got this information as a research on Pinterest. So when I looked this up, and it has similar items. So when I looked at similar items, I'm like, wait a minute. These are all from Coaster Furniture, which is located in, I believe, California. So as you can see, this is going to go over here, on top of here, because this was, of course, too small for this area. Not quite sure where I'm going to put that. And I'm going to show you another item I'm going to unbox as well. Same thing. Okay, guys, this is beautiful. I can't wait for this to go up on over this credenza. Guys, I'm not going to do an installation. I just wanted to show you again the back of the hardware for this mirror, and that it is very secure. And again, this mirror is 65 pounds. So I decided to go to Home Depot and get the mega hooks. These hooks are 100 pounds each. So I got one from each side, so it is enough weight to hold this mirror without falling. Hopefully. So far, so good. Now with these hooks, it was a little difficult at first to do, but it's really not bad. They're kind of straight, and because I couldn't find the bead, and they're anchored. They go into the drywall with the point. You just screw it in, and all you do is when you put the nail in there, it pops that little silver thing up. Many videos on YouTube on how to install these hooks. Okay, guys, so now let's get started with unboxing number 2. Okay, now I was watching a video by Be My Guest with Denise, and I seen this beautiful 3-diamond mirror that she had up hanging that she got from JCPenney's. So when I went to order the Walmart mirror, guess what popped up? It's not exactly the same quality as JCPenney's, but it still looks really nice, and guess what? Half the price. All right, guys, let's do this unboxing. Now, I must say, now this is not the same quality as a JCPenney's, but again, it was half the price and it looked almost just as good. So now this came with a chain as well, but it did not have the knobs that came with the JCPenney version, and the JCPenney version was much thicker, but it's still the same effect. I had some knobs already that were already bling. So when I added to this mirror, oh my God, it was a beautiful effect. I'll show you the reveal at the end of this unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the final reveal of this mirror, and of course my living space is my living room and my dining room. Guys, I hope you like it. I can't wait to spring clean. So starting here again is the Martini Tower, along with the DIY bench, chairs, and my table. So of course the credenza is the DIY, and I was really really looking for something that was grand, big, and over the top for this space. Of course, the other mirror that I love, and I'll probably put in the hallway, but it was way too small for this space. Now up here, I will end up changing out the rods. I would probably like to pop it with black and have the, I might keep this here. Remember, this is a DIY as well. These are Walmart curtains, two different. I might take the gray off and put in white shears here, and maybe bring them down a little bit more so this won't seem like it's such a big gap. But I really would like something here. I'm not quite sure what there yet, but I think it came out nice. Now the reason why this is low, because my son was like, Mom, that's a little low. But when he came to see it, he says, it's low, but it looks good. And I really like it low because here it intertwines with my, my decor. I love these pieces here, and it looks really good with these glass pieces. So I think from this effect up, it gives it such a tall height ceiling. Again, I think I'm gonna bring these rods down a little bit so it could be a little more, cohesive to this space here. But I want this long length, and of course the credenza. I'm really loving this. Is one of my favorite DIY projects. Now I'm not quite sure this or the Martini Tower. I think maybe this one, guys. Let me know what you think. Is it going to be the credenza, the bench, or Martini Tower? Now I can't wait to spring clean and bring out my decor. Now I only have blue out now, something really neutral, nothing with too much color. I'm really loving this one. Now when I'm in the kitchen, I can actually see the television on the opposite side, the reflection of the mirror. I really like the length of this. See, if I bring this up any higher, and it would still look good. It's just that I didn't want to bring this up higher. I like this edge here along with the mirror here, if you can see. So how it lines up. And that way, if I have a floral piece coming out, it won't be chopped off down here. So I'm going to have to pretty much watch the designs I put here, or just keep it plain so you can see the whole Greek layout through the whole entire mirror. That wasn't really that important to me. Even though if I raised it all the way up, and you can see the whole outline of the mirror, which is pretty as well, but I don't want to give it that gap space like I did over here. And here, see how it has so much wall there? It's supposed to be, I think the rule of thumb is 5 to 6 inches from, your table or your fireplace to the bottom of the mirror. But like, this is very awkward to me. It fits here up top, but because of the light switch, and of course the shoe rack is the shoe rack, I can't bring it up any higher. I didn't want to have that gap, so I figured if I didn't want to have the gap, this is what I would do instead. And again, I really like how to see the reflection of my designs in the mirror as well. See the kitchen, you can see that rose gold kitchen pops in the background. Really pretty. I think this is gorgeous and glamorous, guys. So you've seen that the different places that sell this. Also, the one I didn't put up, I have a subscribers wanting to buy this. Go to the Amazon. I'm gonna link the Amazon one. It is on sale for $195, guys. $195. And it did call the company, one of the companies, one of the manufacturers, and she had it for $160. I said, well, why are they selling it for $200 and something? She said, because it's so heavy and it's the delivery. That's what's included with it. That's why you get free shipping. But she said, if you want to come over to California, you can get it for $160. But I figure with my subscribers, guys, if anyone would like something like this right now, I would grab the one on Amazon. Again, same company, same mirror. It's just a different, name for it. Okay, as Zgallerie calls it Santorini, and you can see that if you go on Wayfair, it has a different name for it. Walmart called it the Greek I think it's called the Greek Interlock Mirrorless Silver, and I think it was the original name for this, because I see that name in quite a few designs. Now I'm coming over here in this small section. This goes out into the patio. So it's just a small wall that was very blank. So I figured when I saw Be My Guest with Denise Hall, the one from JCPenney's, I'm like, oh, I really love it for this small, narrow space. So again, this was from Walmart, and you saw that it was $23.99. It might be a clearance item. So guys, if you want something like this, I think you need to jump on it right away before it's gone. And again, I blinked out, and these are just the knobs that I had. I had these from a while ago. I probably got these from Home Goods years ago. And these are some extra ones I had left over. So again, just use your imagination. Okay, guys, don't forget to check out places like, Pinterest or Shop Taggart to see if you can see the same identical item that you want for much cheaper. Again, it wasn't that much cheaper if you had the coupon from Zgallerie. Zgallerie, it was like $2.23 if you used the coupon, and this was $2.18. It wasn't that much of a difference. A lot of them were not, like the bigger chains, wasn't that much of a difference. What was a difference is when you went to furniture stores. That's when you seen a lot. Now, Mayfair was hiked up there. Their prices was up there, I think in the 400 range or 300 to 400. And one furniture store had this mirror that was $700 and something dollars. I'm like, you have got to be kidding. So again, guys, these are just retailers. The company, this company here is Coaster Furniture. A lot of places I looked at, it was the same company. So again, these are just retail chains that we buy from. So just be careful, even though we like to say this is my Zgallerie mirror. This is not a Zgallerie mirror nor a Walmart mirror. It is a Coaster Home Furniture mirror. But again, we love saying Zgallerie over Walmart. All right, guys, so this is my video. Again, spring cleaning. I can't wait for some color. I haven't decided which color I'm going to use for my living room. The curtains will be kind of switched out a little bit. And of course, it'll be some bar cart styling. All right, guys, and of course some patio updates as well. All right, guys, so thanks again for watching this video. It's your Mooregirl, and I will see you at the next video.